If predatory sharks and their power captivates you, then this is the place. 330 miles off Costa Rica's Pacific coast lies an island still ruled by the ocean. Wild, unspoiled. Cocos Island, the island of sharks. Getting here demands commitment. There are no day trips and no shortcuts. Just a long boat journey of more than 36 hours across the open Pacific Ocean. Endless horizon, long swells, changing weather. This place is not built for comfort, but for those willing to suffer just a little. The adventure is world class. Battered by storms, remote. This outpost is draped in dense rainforest, packed with fascination. A beautiful place, full of unexpected and stunning surprises. This is nature without a script. Uninhabited, surrounded by ocean, isolated. Sheer cliffs rise straight from the sea. Over 200 waterfalls spill from the jungle into the ocean. Cocos sits at the convergence of powerful Pacific currents. Cool, nutrient-rich water surges upward from the deep. That's why the sharks are here, and that's why we're here, regardless of the conditions. Several species call these waters home. Cocos is known for large concentrations of hammerheads. They materialize out of the blue depths, moving in formation, circling effortlessly in the current, swimming in vast schools around the island, using fishy cleaning stations to rid themselves of parasites. There are numerous dive sites with these cleaning stations that the sharks frequent. Galapagos and silvertip sharks patrol these areas and reefs too, with quiet confidence, always watching. Their sudden turns are sharp and electric. This is the natural world. Sharks don't perform. They hunt. They survive. They flourish here. To interact with predatory animals in their environment is priceless. This is unscripted adventure. Encounters happen on nature's schedule, not yours. But something fascinating and unexpected seems to happen on every dive. Occasionally, a prowling tiger shark appears to investigate. Massive, unmistakable, and powerful, moving through an ecosystem that still belongs to them. But sharks are only part of the story here at Cocos. Pelagic manta rays often glide into view like underwater dragons, looping effortlessly through the current, flapping wings to and fro. Giant marble rays undulate rhythmically across the reefs, delightfully dancing. Huge schools of swirling fish fill the water column, sometimes so dense they block out the sun. strange and prehistoric, the red-lipped batfish, found in only one other place on Earth, cling to the depths. Hiding in plain sight, frogfish lie perfectly camouflaged. And there's a plethora of other creatures that live and thrive here too. Sometimes, if you're lucky, pods of curious dolphins arrive unannounced. This place will test you with weather, waves, currents, and endurance. Nothing is staged, nothing is guaranteed, and every moment is earned. But the reward is immense. Encounters so raw and powerful that redefine what wild truly means. No crowds, no compromise, just a little discomfort for something extraordinary. Cocos Island, Island of the Sharks.